How to fix Telegram video call problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram video call problem on Android phone. First thing you need to do here is to go to Play Store and check if there's any update here, and then just update your Telegram. And if that doesn't fix your problem, go to settings and then apps, and now apps again, and here just type Telegram and click on it, and now click force stop, and then go to storage and click clear cache, and now go to permissions here, and here we'll find camera, click on it and allow it. Now camera have been allowed, that means that your problem have been fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.